Hello and welcome to my money vlog. I'm Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing, and I've started this money vlog because I used to run a lot of groups and we used to talk about how you can save money and how you can gain more money. I thought now is a good time to start with this. So my talk about today will be how to save on dentist bills. Of course, everybody doesn't like to go to the dentist. I mean, I've yet to meet somebody who likes to go to the dentist. But with these tips that I'm going to share with you in this video, you're not only not minding going to the dentist or the dentist's office, because you might go to the mouth hygienist, you'll also gain some friends. Let's watch it. So step one, you got to make sure you have the right brush for your teeth. Some people prefer a hard brush because they think it's really good to get everything off your teeth and things like that, but it might actually damage the enamel. So you have a discussion with your dentist and you ask what is the right brush for you. So make sure you have the right brush, and then with that brush you brush your teeth at least once a day. Prevention is the best cure, right? So keep brushing. And then use the right toothpaste as well, because after having a discussion with my mouth hygienist, he actually said that the particular brand that I'm using, so he just named all of the toothpastes underneath that brand. He mentioned that it has had some less good reviews compared to all the other brands out there. And I was like, oh, are you trying to sell me something, or are you telling me the truth? So I looked at it and I figured, okay, I'm happy with my toothpaste and I'm happy with how often I have to go back to the mouth hygienist. So this toothpaste is the right toothpaste for me. So you got to work out your one as well, because there is such a large variety of toothpaste out there. It's quite hard to find out which one is the right one for you. So right brush, right toothpaste, brushing at least once a day. Then flossing. Get a routine with your flossing so that at least you do it before you have to go out or something like that. I used to go dancing. It was one night a week, and before, on that day of dancing, not necessarily prior, like in the last hour before I go, but on that day when I go dancing, I used to floss my teeth and I'd do everything everywhere. So that was my routine. And then even if I did it once a week, I might do it a few other times as well. But I've got a really good dentist now and I hardly have any gaps between my teeth that food gets stuck in. Good dentist. Another tip. Wow. So make sure you get into a routine with your flossing. Mouthwash is another good one because it kills all the bacteria in your mouth, and sometimes if you gargle it kills a little bit off in your throat as well. If you do that before you go to sleep, it can still work all the way while you're sleeping, and you'll wake up and your mouth will be fresher than when you didn't do that. Go and see your mouth hygienist. He or she will tell you how often you have to come back and how good your teeth looked when you came in. So definitely have a good talk with your mouth hygienist and follow up on their advice. If they say you have to floss more, floss more. If they say you have to come back in 6 months, don't go back in 2 years, go back in 6 months. Prevention is the best cure for your dentist bills. And if you do have to go to the dentist, that's fine. It shouldn't be a major. And if there's something wrong with your teeth, it's best to get it looked at as soon as you can. Don't be afraid about the bill, because you can talk to your dentist and I'm sure they'll let you pay it off weekly or monthly or however your dentist works. So brushing with the right brush, with the right toothpaste, flossing, mouthwash, checkups with the mouth hygienist and the dentist, and eating right, stopping smoking, etc. All the other advice that you can find online and that's out there anyway. So with these tips, you'll not only reduce your dentist bills, you will actually keep your friends and your colleagues. Because I don't know if you've ever sat in a meeting or a circle or whatever, or in a group of people, and somebody starts speaking to you and you just back off because you're like, oh my God, what? Ew, did you eat this morning? Or that's another thing for against bad breath. When you do notice that you have bad breath, make sure you have water in the morning. Make sure you have something to eat in the morning. Brush your teeth and then go to work. It will save you a lot of embarrassment, and it won't be as awkward, because a lot of people don't dare saying to people, hey, would you like a chewing gum? Here's a mint. Have it. That's what I used to do anyway. I never go like, oh my God, really? Because that's not that nice. And I'm quite nice. Anyway, so how to reduce your dentist bills. If you have any more comments or solutions or ideas or anything like that, any hints and tips, comment down below, because we'd all love to hear it. You know, a dentist bill can be quite steep. So with all these tips, I'm sure we can, as a community, we can reduce them for everybody. Enjoy. And this is Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos on my money vlog. Thank you very much. Bye bye.